Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to cover another very important topic of organic chemistry, and that is hydride shifting, methyl shifting, and the ring expansion. So, before that, starting this, I just want to ask that why this shifting or the rearrangement is needed. What's the reason for that? So see, anything in the universe, if it is occurring, if it occurs, that is to get the stability, to lowers its energy, isn't it? That is the main thing. That is the thermodynamics law, and we know that every each and every substance work to get the stability. Yes, and or we can say that to lower its energy. So similarly here the shifting and the rearrangement is required to get the stability by lowering its energy. So how come it is? Then the very important point which I want to bring in your notice, that is migrating capacity. That means if the shifting occurs, then what will be the priority for the shifting? So if the shifting is there and all the three groups are there, then we have to first shift the hydride, then phenyl, and then methyl only. Got it? This is the migrating capacity, migrating order will be there. And if in hydrogen place there is hydride or deuteride or tritiide, then hydride will first, H will migrate first, then deuterium, and then tritium. And then only this phenyl will come, and then any alkyl group will be there. And here I have written alkyl group, and if two or different type of alkyl group are there, then we will consider that the one which is better electron donor. Got it? If more than one type of alkyl group is present, alkyl group or any group is there, okay, we can see any group is present over there, then the group which is better electron donor will migrate first. So all these things are going to be in use, we have to use this. So these points are very important, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, next thing that the six-membered ring. About the ring expansion if we talk about, then the six-membered ring is considered as the most stable, and that's why the ring which is having less than the six member undergoes expansion to increase the number of carbon to make it 6. Okay, while if in the ring if there is more than 6 carbon, then it undergoes contraction, because 6-membered ring is the most stable ring. Okay, so if it is less than 6, it will expand, and if it is more than 6, it will contract. Yeah, this is the point important. Okay, having less than 6 undergoes expansion, and more than 6 undergoes contraction. Okay, and due to the ring arrangement, actually kya hota hai, if I'm talking about this shifting and the ring arrangement, if we consider these two, so ring arrangement ki वजह से the whole compound becomes stable. Got it? While the hydride or phenyl or alkyl shifting की वजह से that particular carbocation will be stable. But if we talk about the ring arrangement, the whole compound will be stable. So if we talk about the priority about the shifting and the ring expansion, then ring arrangement we can say, then ring arrangement will get the most priority than this hydride shifting or phenyl shifting or any alkyl shifting. Got it? I hope all these points I have cleared. Yes. So now I'm going to give you a trick for this, for the ring arrangement. For ring arrangement, how to we do this ring arrangement. This is the key point you have to keep in your mind. That is first thing. That one thing I have already explained over here, that the one which is more electron rich or more electron donor will be easily yes. Okay, one thing more, that migrating activity jo hogi, migrating capacity jo hogi, let me write over here, migrating capacity, that is directly proportional to charge density of the group. Charge density of the group. Maybe it will we will use in few questions for this also. Okay, so okay, for the ring arrangement I'm going to give you three key points actually. This is that shift the charge of 1 into 2. shift the positive charge of C1 to C2. Now you will ask that C1 con. Will tell you, don't worry. Then break the bond between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. And then form the bond between 1 and 3. This is the key point. Okay. In simple way we can learn that positive charge को shift कर दो कार्बन 2 पे, 1 का चार्ज 2 पे, 2 और 3 का बॉन्ड तोड़ दो, 1 और 3 का बॉन्ड बना दो. That's it. Okay. So this is the key point. Now we will do some questions to get this concept clear. Okay. So here I have written few questions like this. And this carbocation, why this is like, we are talking about the, whenever we are shifting all this, so it is just for intermediate, intermediate. Whenever we do the reaction, we get an intermediate. हमें कोई ना कोई intermediate बनता है. So we know that you have done already in that 11th organic that it will form, either it will be carbocation or carboanion or carbon free radical. So out of that all three intermediate, we are going to talk about the carbocation. Okay, and for the carbocation also, you know that the tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary than the primary. And if the benzylic and the allylic are given, then benzylic will be highest stable, then allylic, and then tertiary, then secondary, then primary. It comes like that. Yes. Okay. So anyhow, chalo, let's start with this example. In this question, it is like here the carbocation is primary. Yes, let me use another color. This carbocation is primary, isn't it? So what will happen? Here hydride shifting. Hydride and methyl both are there. So I have told you that first hydride, then phenyl, then methyl. Yes. So hydride shifting will be there. So this H minus shift will be there, and it is also called 1,2 hydride shifting. Okay. 1,2 because one position से 2 position पे जा रहा है, so that's why 1,2 hydride shifting. Okay, and what will result? What will be the result over here? This will form that C, and here it is C plus. This is CH3. This will be CH3, and here it is CH3. Now the carbocation is tertiary carbocation, isn't it? And that's why tertiary carbocation is more stable than the primary carbocation. So that's why this rearrangement will be there. 1,2 hydride shifting will be there. Yes, we have to decide whether it is there or not. Okay, first and then shift. Now in this case, this is primary carbocation. We can see that, and no hydrogen, methyl group is there. So what we will do? We will methyl shifting here. It will be, got it, and this will generate. It is also called 1,2 methyl shifting. Okay, this will be called methyl shifting. So what it will result? It will result in this CH3. Why? Because if it goes here, it will result in the tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So that's why this shifting will be will occur. Yes, CH3, and here it is CH3, and this is the carbocation. So what it becomes? Tertiary carbocation, more stable. So that's why this happens. Yes. Now in this, check. This carbocation is secondary. Yes, isn't it? And if this hydride shift to over there, then this positive charge will be here. So this becomes tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So if we do this shifting, we will get that this is also 1,2 methyl, hydride shift. Yes. And if we do that, what will be this? The product will be like this. Here hydrogen moved, yes, to this point, and this remain like this. CH3 will be there. H and CH3, which will move first? So hydride, we know that. So carbocation will be over here. And what it is? Now earlier it was secondary, now it is tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So that's what it has done. Now, do in this case. This carbocation is and you need to shift trans. Already this is resonance highly stable. Already stable है ये. Yes, this positive charge due to this resonance, it is stable. So due to resonance, Due to resonance, it is already stable. Benzylic carbocation, it is, yes, already stable. So that's why no shifting. That's why no shifting. Yes. Okay. What about in this case? This is secondary carbocation. Yes. If this hydride shift over there, it will result in tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So yes, this shifting will be there, and it will result in 1,2 hydride shift, and this will give you what? pH. Here the bond is like CS3, and this CS3. Now the carbocation come over here, which is tertiary. So earlier it was secondary, and tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. So that's why this shift. Yes. Now in this case, check it. Here it is second. This carbon is tertiary. So is there any need to change? Again, if this goes over here, this hydride shift over here, so what will result? Think of it. It will result in this plus over here. ये O है, which is having lone pair. Yes. And this will like this. Yes. So what will happen? This lone pair will shift over here, and यहाँ पे octet complete हो जाएगा. दोनों की octet complete हो जा रही है. So that's why this is more stable than this tertiary. So since octet completion is there, so that's why yes, here also shifting will occur, and which shifting? 1,2 hydride shift. Yes. Got it? It will, due to this, here it will have double bond. This oxygen, double bond over here like this. So octet complete. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now what about this case? Let's do this. This is primary. Quite clear. So obviously यहाँ जो hydrogen होगा, this hydrogen will shift. The shift होगा. So what it will result? It will, in this case, it will result in this pH, then pH, and then this is NH2, CS3, this is CS3, and here now it is like this is now the plus charge over here. Yes. So now still change is there, possibility is there. Which type of? This phenyl shift can be over here. So abhi still it is secondary. If phenyl shift over here, it will have tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So let's do this. Now if this phenyl group shift over here, so this will result, this will be like this. यहाँ से जाएगा. Yes. So this will be pH, and here it is NH2, CH3, this is CH3, and this one is positive charge over here, और pH यहाँ आ गया. Yes, बच्चे, any problem in this? Okay, now will it stop here? Think of it. No, it will further go. Now this methyl shifting will be there. Why it is going to shift over here? Because at last, ये देखो यहाँ पे this methyl shifting, and this is giving you pH. Here it is. Now the CS3 will come over here. This is like this. ये pH यहाँ पे रह जाएगा, and this is NH2, and here it is CS3, and now the plus charge over here. So इस कार्बन के पास vacant orbital होंगे, यहाँ पे vacant है, and it is having lone pair, so this will give over here. So that's why back bonding is also occurring. Yes. So what will happen? The shifting के साथ साथ back bonding is also occurring. So that is the most stable compound. इसलिए ये पूरा convert होके यहाँ तक पहुँचेगा. Did you get that? Yes. समझ में आ गई बात? Any problem? Okay. Suppose that this is the structure given. So now this is the carbocation, and it is attached this group, this group. So which group will shift? So I have written over here that better electron donor group will migrate. तो दिस इज क्वाइट क्लियर कि ये NO2 है इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, तो ये बेटर डोनर ग्रुप होगा नहीं. नाउ दिस टू आर द इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर ग्रुप, बट आउट ऑफ दिस टू दिस इज मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप, so it is better what we say, better electron donor group. So this will shift over here and it will result in this, like this is CH3 over here. This is not going to change, NO2, here it is C, and this is here, that group will attach OCH3 over here. I hope it is clear. Yes, and the carbocation shift to this point. So this is, yes, although यहाँ पे भी tertiary था, but still it is going to shift क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होगा, resonance stabilize हो जाएगा. This will be here it is only tertiary, but here it is resonance also. So that's why the shifting will be there and more electron donor group shifting will be there. Yes, methoxy, phenox, what we say, anisole group transfer will be there. Yes, shift will be there. So let me write electron rich group shift. Yes, I hope it is clear. I have written few more examples, so let me solve this. And this was all about the shifting. Now we are going to do it as a ring expansion. How the ring expands. Okay. So this one is the first example I have given. For the ring expansion, I have told you that shift the charge of shift the charge of 1 to 2. Break the bond of between 2 and 3 and make the bond of A and B, 1 and 3. Yes, 3 points here important tha, that let me show you again. This is the ring expansion. These are the 3 points that you are supposed to learn. Okay, चलिए, so let's do use करते हैं फटाफट. जहाँ भी कार्बोकेटाइन, where is the positive charge कार्बोकेटाइन is there, mark it as a 1. This is 1. उसके just बाद वाला second, and उसके बाद any direction you can go. So let me mark it as a 3. What we have to do? We have to break the bond of 2 and 3. Bond break करो. Make the bond of 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is going to attach over here. So just check in this bond, in this compound, इस side ring वाले में कितने कार्बन हो जाएंगे? 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5, 6. Yes. First of all, the white is undergoing expansion. White will 5 membered, so easily it will make the 6 membered ring to be stable. So that's why it happens. Okay. So now check 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So this is the carbon. And how to write it? Let me mark it as a 4, 5, and 6. No issue. Okay. So this 1 is going to convert it into the ring. So let me make it. This is the 1. Okay. 1 is attached with the 3. 1 is attached with the 3. So this is 1, and this one is third carbon. Third is further attached with the 4. And 1 is also attached with a 2, isn't it? So mark it as a 2. Clear, bache? Yes. 2 is attached with the 6. This is 6 carbon. Okay? And 6 is attached with the 5th. And 5th is attached with the 4th. And 4th is attached with the 3rd. So 3 is attached with the 4th. Let me mark it like this. And this is the 5th. Any doubt in this? And what happened? This one is left over here. 1 पर है यहाँ पे. So इसको ऐसे बाहर निकाल दो. Clear है? What I said? Shift the charge of 1 on 2. So which is number 2? Carbon 2 is this. So shift the charge over here. Any problem in this? है ना easy? अब ये कहोगे कि मैम ये काउंटिंग कैसे? दिस इज नॉट द काउंटिंग. ये सिर्फ नंबर ये शो करने के लिए है कि हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू अटैच, और आपको पॉजिटिव सेकंड कार्बन फाइंड करने में आसानी रहेगी कि जो व्हेनेवर वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस इनटू द रिंग विच वन इज द सेकंड कार्बन. अदरवाइज बाय चांस इफ यू विल पुट दिस चार्ज ओवर हियर इट विल बी ऑल रॉन्ग. यस, so that's why this is important. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now what about this? If we have to shift this, will there be any shifting? ऐसा कोई shifting होगा? पहले तो ये decide करना है. So there will be no shifting over here because it acquires the quasi aromaticity. What is this? That you will understand in the aromaticity topic. Okay, aromaticity. Quasi-aromaticity. Okay, so now there will be no ring expansion or no like nothing will occur. Okay, now Let's do for this. Here it is. So, and here also 4-membered ring. So obviously it will try to make the 6-membered ring. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to first number it. Number the carbon 1. Which is the carbon 1 over here? This is the carbon 1. Yes. This is the 2 and this is the 3. Any problem in this? Now what you have to do? You have to just simple like break the bond of 2 and 3. So let me break the bond of 2 and 3. एंड 1 and 3 का बॉन्ड बनाना है, तो 1 and 3 का बॉन्ड बना दिया. सो नाउ अब ये देखो, सो इसमें हमने कोई चेंजेस नहीं किए. वी हैव नॉट चेंज एनीथिंग इन दिस रिंग, इजंट इट? कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ है. सो इस रिंग को एज इट इज नोट डाउन करो. सो लेट इट बी लाइक दिस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस. नाउ दिस इज द कार्बन 1. अब नाउ चेक द ring, check the like number of carbon in the ring. Okay, so this is 1 second. No, it's still not completed. This is wrong. अभी यहाँ देखो, first it will show the hydride shifting, not directly. Why? Because देखो यहाँ पे why it will show the hydride shifting. This one is primary carbocation, isn't it? And this one, if the positive charge comes over here, then it will form the secondary carbocation. So what will happen? The hydride shifting will be there, and it will give you first this structure. The hydride shifting occurs first. Yes, this is the hydride shifting. Okay, now mark it. अब ring expansion करेंगे हम. Okay, so what is this? This is number 1. Mark it as a 2, and anyway you can go to not this because it is attached, so let it be 3 over here. Okay, what next? Second and third का bond break करना है. Second and third bond break, and 1 and third के बीच का bond बनाना है. चलो let's do. So if we do, this is the carbon 1. ये we have not changed in this ring, so let it be like this. इस ring को as it is रहने दो. Clear? अब नाउ दिस इज, अब ये देखो कि इस रिंग में हाउ मेनी कार्बन आर देयर नाउ? 1 2 3 4 5, टोटल 5 कार्बन हो गए. सो दिस इज नंबर 1 कार्बन. ये 1 कर देती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, विच इज अटैच फर्दर अटैच विद दिस 1 आगे अटैच है. लेट इट बी. सो 2 मेंशन करो. 1 से 2 अटैच है, सो दिस इज 2. 1 से 3 भी अटैच है, दिस इज 3. ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, and then 2 is attached with 3, और ये 4 है और ये 5 है. So 3 is attached with the 4, so let it be 3 is attached with the 4, this is the 4, and 2 is attached with the 5, let it be 5 over here. Clear? Any problem? Now what next? Another third, जो first thing था कि shift the charge of 1 onto 2. Where is the 2? This one. So put the charge over here, and this is your ring expansion. Now this is the ring expansion. I hope it is clear. You are getting the things. Very easy concept is there. Just few things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, this one is I will discuss later on, because ये Bridge rule है, and that is Bridge rule we have to explain over here, so that we will do later on. And now check this. In this compound, ring is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 carbon is there. So what will happen? Expansion or contraction? Yes, it will undergo contraction. Got it? No issue. Yes. So put the, because 7 membered, it has to convert into the 6 membered ring. So first mark it 1. This is 2, and this is 3. No issue. Yes, quite clear. Now what next? Second and third bond break. Second and third के बीच का bond break. First and third के बीच का bond attach. Clear? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Yes. Now check in this number, in this ring, how many carbon? 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon only. Okay, very quite clear. So make the 6-membered ring like this. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इसको मैंने 1 मार्क कर दिया. This is 1. 1 से अटैच है कि, ठीक है, and 1 से ये अटैच है, and this is, isn't it? ये तो बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो गया. तो 1 से ये भी अटैच है, 2. 1 से ये रहा 2 तुम्हारा, and 2 is attached with further. Okay, so this is 2. So I have marked 2 over here. Okay, and 2 is further attached with these 2, so that's right. So is it clear? What is the right? Shift the charge of 1 on 2. So put the charge over there. This is the ring expansion. Yes. Any problem in this? No issue. Okay. 1 is attached with the 2. That is attached. 1 is attached with the 3. So this is 3. Here it is 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 3. It is 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 7. So 6 to 7, 7 to 1. So let it be. Yes. No issue. Clear? Now in this case, here is there any chance of expansion? Yes, it is 5 member, and if it expand it will get the 6 member. Yes, so put the number over here. This is 1 over here. Now where to this will be 2 and here it will be 3. Clear? Any problem in this? Yes or no? Is it correct? Think of it. Is it correct? It won't be correct. Yes, it's a case of bridge compound. Okay, so let me show you the number exactly. It is not 2 because see, if I'm doing this, the ring is going to contract. Why it will contract? Already it is in 5 members, so 4 member kyun jayega? Got it? So that's why this numbering is wrong. So what next we have to do? We have to put this. Okay, so this numbering is quite clear. There is no issue in that. Now what we will do? We will just check in that ring how many carbon is there. So if this bond is going to break, okay, this bond will break. So what happened? 1 and this is 2. It will 2 3 sorry, 1 is going to make the bond over here. Now this is going to break it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 member. Yes. So let me mark it as a, this is 1, okay, and 1 is attached with the 3. So let me mark as a this. Okay, 1 3, and then 3 is further attached with the 4. 4 is further attached with the 5th. Yes, 5th is further attached with the 6th, and 6th is further attached with the 7. 7 is further attached with the 1. So like this. Any problem in this? कोई issue? Okay, no. अब ये देखो 5th, this is 4, this is 5th, 6th, and this one is 7. 7th is further attached with the 1, so let it be like we'll see. इसको attach कर देंगे like this. Okay, no issue. अब ये देखो 1 से 2 attached है. Yes, 1 से 2 attached है. So 1 से 2 मैंने attach कर दिया. This is 2, and this 2 is further attached with the 5th also. So like this. Got it? So this is called, ये एक bridge compound बना दिया, and that this structure is norborane. Okay, बोर्ड नेम, इस स्ट्रक्चर का नाम है नॉर्बोरेन. ओके, इसमें आपको अब यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज, वेयर आई हैव टू शिफ्ट पॉजिटिव चार्ज 1 का 2 पे कर दो. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी प्लस ओवर हियर. क्लियर है? कोई विदाउट पॉजिटिव इट वाज नॉर्बोरेन, बट विद पॉजिटिव इट विल बी नॉर्बोरेन. लाइक it's not here, it is it's not norborane. Norborane is like this. Let me make this structure. Norborane is like this. Okay, this one is norborane. Done. Here it is positive charge and here it is methyl carbon, so this is not wrong. Norborane. Hope it is clear. So sometime it will be asked like this, and that क्वेश्चन पूछा सकता है कि ये दे दिया एंड रिंग एक्सपेंशन, दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर विल बी गिवन. सो यू हैव टू लर्न. ये नंबरिंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट विल explain that which carbon is going to attach with the further which carbon, so that will be quite easy for you. Okay, so now let's do this. Okay, we have shifted this, so chalo let's do with this also. This is also going to be a case of that. Okay, so this one is here secondary carbon and hydrogen is over here. So if this hydrogen shift over here, so what will happen? If this hydrogen will shift over here, so this, so okay, so here if hydride shift occurs, so it will generate the tertiary carbocation, isn't it? So let's do this, and if I'm shifting over there, this will result in this way. So can we like already it is 6 membered, we can see. So is it a stable compound? Is it stable? No. According to Brett's rule, this is the like rule, Brett's rule, that bridge center, bridge element cannot have the electron deficiency, cannot have positive charge. According to this Brett's rule, the bridge carbon or bridge element cannot have the electron deficiency. Quite clear? Yes. So what to do? Now what will happen? Just that means it also undergo rearrangement. It will go under rearrangement. So just mark it as a this is like this will not happen. So what will happen? It will be like this, and mark it as a 1 over here. This is 2. This is 3. this is not going to occur. Hydride shifting will not be there. Clear है, समझ में आगे बात? Although it was forming the tertiary carbocation, but because of this Brett's rule, the bridge carbon, the bridge element cannot have the electron deficiency, so that's why this will not go. This shifting will not happen. So what will happen? Like this. अब यहाँ पे arrangement करते हैं. So this is 1 mark here, 2 and then 3 it is. ठीक है? So we know that 2 and 3 bond will be broken and 1 and 3 bond will be made. So let me make this. So this structure comes like, ये इस तरह से आ रहा है कुछ structure like this, and here it is, this is going to make a bond over here, na? So let me mark it like this. Any problem? This is carbon 3, this was 2, this is 1, okay? And if it is 4, 5, 6, 7, so let me mark it as a 4, 5, 6, 7. No issue. Now how it will be? किसको इस तरह से कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? So let it be, this is carbon 1, so let me make it carbon 1 over here. This is 1, it is further attached with the 2, 2 is further attached with the 4, 4 is further attached with the 5, yes, 5, 5 is further attached with the 6, 6 is 7, 7 is attached with the 1, yes, and out. Now this third carbon is attached with the 1 as well as 5th. So let me attach, this is 1 as well as 5th. Yes, this is the carbon. Any problem in this? Tell me. Yes, very correctly. There is no issue in that. Very easy. कोई दिक्कत? This is the structure of norbornene. Bornene. Okay. Any problem? And we have to shift the charge. ये कार्बन जो है पॉजिटिव 1 का चार्ज 2 पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. This is now the bridge carbon is not having electron deficiency, so that is stable structure. Hope it is clear. Yes. चलिए now the next one. Here it is secondary. If it shifts over here, then also it is secondary only. So will that shifting occur? क्या shifting occur होगा? चलो let's see. अब यहाँ पे देखो, कोई मतलब इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हाइड्राइड शिफ्टिंग या मिथाइल शिफ्टिंग से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इसको. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द स्टेबिलिटी. तो हम यहाँ पे हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन का केस लगा के वी विल चेक. सो इफ आई एम चेकिंग दिस, हाउ मेनी अल्फा कार्बन ओवर, दिस इज द सिस्टम एंड अल्फा कार्बन इज दिस. सो इन दिस केस 4 अल्फा कार्बन. यस, सपोज दैट इफ आई एम शिफ्टिंग दिस, अगर मैंने इसको शिफ्ट कर दिया यहाँ पे, एच शिफ्टिंग ओवर हो गया, so this will give you the result CH3, CH2, this side or this side, any side you can do. Okay, this is CH2 and here it will be CH and then CH3. Let me do it. So what will happen? This is case of, यहाँ पे कितने अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इसके हो गए? 2, और यहाँ कितने हैं? 5. So now in this case of 5 alpha hydrogen. Yes, 5 alpha hydrogen. So will it शिफ्ट? क्या यहाँ हाइड्राइड शिफ्टिंग होगी? यस, होगी. क्यों? ऑल्दो यहाँ से भी सेकेंडरी, यहाँ पे भी सेकेंडरी है, बट इफ इट इज शिफ्टिंग ओवर हियर, सो इट इज गिविंग 5 अल्फा कार्बन. दैट मीन्स 5 conjugative structure will be there, hyper conjugation will be there, but in this case only 4. So that's why this is more stable than this. Got it? Clear है? Any problem? Yes, very good. चलिए, let's do this question. अब अगर हम ये क्वेश्चन करें यहाँ पे, सो बताओ, विल इट शिफ्ट? अगर इस कार्बन के शिफ्टिंग से यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन है एंड अगर इस हाइड्रोजन के शिफ्ट कर भी दे, तो हेयर ऑल्सो इट इज सेकेंडरी, हेयर ऑल्सो इट इज सेकेंडरी, इजंट इट? एंड इफ यू विल शिफ्ट दैट, तो हेयर ऑल्सो इट विल बी सेकेंडरी. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला है. अल्फा कार्बन भी चलो देख लेते हैं. हाउ मेनी अल्फा कार्बन ओवर हियर? 3 and 1 4. अभी के केस में 5, 3 and 5 है यहाँ पे. इन दिस केस 5 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन आर देयर, isn't it? चलो अगर मैंने शिफ्ट कर दिया एंड लेट मी शो द शिफ्टिंग इफ इट occurs, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हियर एंड इट विल जनरेट लाइक, yes, and the positive charge will be here. Yes, very clear. चलो let's see how many alpha carbon over here. अल्फा कार्बन 2 और 1 यहाँ पे, यानी कि राइट नाउ 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन ओनली. बट स्टिल दिस अरेंजमेंट विल अकर, इट इज मोर स्टेबल. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ CPM स्ट्रक्चर. cyclopropyl propyl methyl carbocation, isn't it? So due to this step, this it will be more stable than this, although it is having 5 alpha hydrogen, but got it. तो ये order you have to follow. If CPM is there, then first वो हो जाएगा benzylic, then वो हो जाएगा, then allylic, then tertiary, then secondary, then primary, and then benzylic, and then like hyperconjugated tertiary, secondary, primary will be considered. Got it? समझ में आ गई बात? तो this is the way. चलो अब इस केस में देखते हैं. यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग की कोई ज़रूरत है, कोई चांसेस हैं, कुछ है? टेल मी फास्ट. अब यहाँ देखो, it is 4-membered ring. तो 4-membered ring can be converted into this 3-membered ring CPM, which will be stable. Yes, हमें पता है. So obviously यहाँ पे होगा, and what will be happen? This ring contraction will happen. So mark it as a 1, okay, and this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4, let it be. So what is going to happen? 2 and 3 bond will be broken, and 1 and 3 bond will be attached. So make the bond. This is like this. कोई problem नहीं है. This is C, and over here this one is 1 and this one is 3. ये 4 as it is रह गया. Now ये bond break हो गया. तो this 1 is further attached with this carbon 2, and this 2 is attached with the CS3, and here CS3. Now shift the carbon 1 charge to carbon 2. So ये क्यों हुआ? Why? Because you can see this structure. ये वाला part देखो. This is the CPM, isn't it? So yes, this is more stable than this structure. So shift ring rearrangement will be there. This is ring contraction will occur. I hope this is more stable. समझ में आ रही है बात? क्लियर हो रहा है? कोई प्रॉब्लम? Okay, one more question over here. This is, tell me, will there be shifting? कुछ होगा? Arrangement होगा? बिल्कुल होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 कार्बन है. It will form the CPM structure. So mark it as a 1, 2, 3. किसी को भी किसी तरह से भी mark कर सकते हो. 2 and 3 bond break. 1 and 3 bond make. Then what it will be? It will convert into, this is 1 carbon. Here it is ring. Yes. So let me make it as a ring. This is, I made it, and this 1 is further attached with the 2. This is carbon 2, and shift the charge of 1 on 2. So this is, or we can draw in, if it is not so clear, we can draw like this. This is the CPM structure. So more stable, and hence the arrangement will occur. Ring contraction will occur. Yes or no? Clear है? कोई दिक्कत? चलिए अब यहाँ देखते हैं. This is the last question for this all this practice. Now this is 5-membered ring. Here it is like, this is the bond over here, this is the bond over here, this is the one. So it can form the 6-membered ring. Yes. So now shift the bond. This is double bond. Shift the bond this side. This is positive charge over here. Clear? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? चलिए अब क्या करते हैं? Mark it as a 1. This is 1. This is 2. And anyway you can mark it as a 3 like this. Yes. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So what we have to do? 2 and 3 bond break करो. 2 and 3 bond break. 1 and 3 bond make. So now the compound check करो. This is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Yes. Clear है? So make the 6-membered ring. I made it like this. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now this one is 1. अगर मैंने इसको 1 mark किया है तो 1 is further attached with this 1 strand, like 1 ये, and then this is further, and this is the ring. We have not changed anything in this. Is it clear? Quite clear? Yes. Now shift the charge of 1 on 2. So what is this? If it is 2, you have to mark the positive charge over here. Clear? So sometime question can be asked like this, change into plus Cl2. Plus HCl or Cl2 will be given, and then product will be given like this. So you have to understand this thing. Okay. Any problem in this? And if I will number it, this is 1, this is 3, here it is 4, 5, 6. So let it be 4, this is 5, this is 6, and 6 is attached with the 2. So 6 is attached with 2, and 2 is attached with the 1. 2 is attached with the 1. Yes, correct. Yes. No issue. I hope all these examples are clear with you, and like you are now there is no problem at all. There should be no problem at all in this, like how do the ring expansion and how the methyl shifting, when it will occur and all this. Yes, so just go through with the video properly, try to solve the question by your own, and then make the short points, make the short notes for this, that what we are thinking, what we have to keep on in our mind. That's it बच्चे, आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है, and we'll continue with the next topic in next class. Till then, thank you बच्चे.